Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with a high-quality WAV or MP3. Once done, open Roblox Studio and sign in, then go to Create Right Arrow Audio to upload immediately. Make sure the file name is descriptive, select correct creator permissions, and include brief tags so you can find it later. You'll submit and then wait for Roblox to process and approve the asset. This step verifies format and content. While processing runs, prepare the place and objects where you will attach the sound. This saves time when the audio finishes uploading. Next, insert a sound instance into Workspace or into a specific object like a part or GUI. Once added, paste the uploaded asset's sound ID into the property and adjust volume and pitch to suit the environment. Check loop if you want repeating audio. Then decide how it's triggered: play on awake, play on remove, or, preferably, via a short script for precise control. Use play mode to test behavior and tweak attenuation and roll-off, so the sound behaves correctly across distance and multiple players. Finish by scripting playback. Use a local script for player-specific audio and a server script for global sounds, calling play, stop, and setting playback speed. Make sure you use the right context. Clients can hear local audio immediately, while servers control shared audio. If it doesn't play, verify asset permissions, confirm the sound ID format, and test volume and attenuation settings. As a quick fix, re-upload the file or substitute a known working asset. This isolates whether the issue is the file, permissions, or script.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.